traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, and this is my recap of the top view videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, the euro dollar finally did make a pretty good push down, as you can see. I've been sold on this since last week because I do still think that it looks like a possible wave A. I still think this move down looks like a wave B, and it looks like a possible 5 waves up for a wave C. If this really is an ABC correction, then I would definitely expect this to continue the downtrend, maybe even go all the way down and take out these previous lows. Now I have my Fibonacci retracement out here because this definitely would be areas of resistance. If we do get like a double bottom at a fib level and a breaker structure to the upside, I would definitely exit my sword and maybe even consider going long. We do have CPI inflation data coming out tomorrow, which is normally a pretty big news event, so we definitely need to be aware of that and definitely keep an eye on our dollar trades. But as of right now, I think that this is more likely going to end up continuing down. If it does decide to go up and break structure with momentum, then I definitely will turn into a buyer longer term. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.